What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube has recently changed their crypto policy. AI moderation is out of control. It's almost like there's no human that works at YouTube. So you got to be as careful as possible. With that, they are allowing general discussions about cryptocurrency, so please do not interpret this video to be anything other than that. We're going to be discussing the latest news, right? We're going to be discussing the latest price action, but in no way should you interpret this video to be a promise, promotion, recommendation, suggestion, guarantee, or anything for that matter, other than discussing what is happening. So let's discuss what is happening. And it's actually rather good news. Now, when it comes to derivatives, these are like the futures. These are the contracts, and a lot of leverage trading takes place. So it says that exchanges fuel Shiba Inu coin's explosive rally. Let's set the stage. It says the open interest of Shiba Inu coin increased by 1.84 and Bitcoin and XRP has actually declined. SHIB succeeded in surpassing the key cryptocurrencies in the futures markets with increasing trader confidence. And I believe these traders are picking up bargains, right? They're coming out here near the floor. I mean, dude, you can see 2024 into 2025 has been terrible for Shiba Inu coin. A series of lower highs, a major 5-year horizontal bottom at the current level, and Shiba Inu coin is setting up shop, trying to hit this floor around 700 points per coin. You can see, this is the green dotted line here. Okay, you can see Shiba Inu coin has used this as a major floor throughout its entire history. 2021, 2022 through 2024, and of course now again 2025 leading into 2026. So it says that Shiba Inu coin has proven to be surprisingly strong in the futures market. Meme coin beat Bitcoin and XRP in the daily growth rates, and such a shift represents a major shift in trader sentiment. It says SHIB open interest increased by 1.84% in the last 24 hours, according to Crypto Basic on X. It says the active futures contracts hold 10.97 trillion SHIB, or $81 million in tokens or in total value. The open interest in Bitcoin and XRP was decreasing during that time frame. It says several websites recorded favorable increases in the open interest of Shiba Inu coin, according to Crypto Basic on X. MEXC was the highest, gaining with a 37% return. 20% was seen on Coinbase, LBank 15%, Kraken 12.86, HTX 10.5, and BitGet 10.16. Now, not every exchange was moving in an upward direction. Kucoin experienced the highest decline by 44%, and Bitunix also fell by 11.79% in the same window. Trader positioning is pessimistic in terms of the downside. Now, the long-short ratio is 1.05, with 51% betting on the price increase and 48% betting on a price decrease. Now, at the moment, guys, Shiba Inu coin is trying its best to set up that floor. Does this guarantee that the price will move higher? Absolutely not. Does this guarantee that the price is at a bottom? Absolutely not. There are no guarantees there's no guarantees on anything in life, but especially an asset as speculative as Shiba Inu coin. So with that, if you are interested in trading or accumulating or investing, please make sure you do all of your research that you need to do and feel as comfortable as you need to feel before making that decision. Now, Bitcoin and XRP face opposite directions. It says Bitcoin and XRP, Crypto Basic reported that Bitcoin open interest between 2019 and 2020 decreased by 1.14%, whereas XRP decreased by a stiff 2.3%. Now it says SHIB was up 3.21% in the last 24 hours, and the price surge mirrors the derivative strength. SHIB has risen to 723 points per coin, and the meme token was better than Bitcoin and XRP, whose heavyweight assets registered slight gains of 0.92% and 1.18% respectively. So what we're noticing is a lot of the price action is dictated by derivatives or dictated by futures. Leverage has become a huge part in cryptocurrency trading, especially for meme coins. Now, with that, when we have good days, we tend to have really good days. When we have bad days, we tend to have really bad days. Because, of course, if you are interested in leverage trading, the way that it works, let's say that you went out to Shiba Inu coin, for example, and you opened up a, I don't know, 50x leverage trade here, which you can do. That means for every dollar you invest, you would be buying $50 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Now, of course, if the price goes up, if SHIB doubled in value, you would 50x in value. If Shiba Inu coin just dropped a mere 2%, your trade would be closed out, it would be liquidated because you're trading on 50x leverage. It greatly increases the reward, but it also greatly increases the risk associated with these trades. So make sure you understand that if you guys do end up going out and making any leverage trades there. But if you are interested, I accumulate cryptocurrency in 2 places. Number 1, on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is extremely easy to use. You guys got a link down there in the description below. If you're interested in checking it out, the interface is very smooth. I think you're going to like it. I ended up liking it. But it is a free download. So before you go out there and spend any money on anything, if you want to check out what it looks like, use that link. It's going to pull you up to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Centralized exchanges. I found KCEX to be one of the best centralized exchanges, and you guys got a link for this down there. It's got some of the cheapest futures fees in the industry. Okay, if you're trading meme coins, if you're trading these derivatives, 0% maker and 0% taker fees on meme coins. One of the best selections. Guys, I don't know if you're going to find a centralized exchange with more cryptocurrencies available in the United States. So make sure to check them out if selection and variety is what you're looking for. And of course, you can trade on leverage. I just showed you 75x leverage for meme coins like Shiba Inu coin here. But you can actually go on up to 125x leverage if you're interested in Bitcoin. Now, clearly, this isn't a recommendation to use either one of these exchanges. It is simply allowing you to know what I use, so that, of course, talking about it, you can make your own decisions, because you might not know these places exist if we don't discuss